Hi, how are you? Welcome to another Mechanical Engineering Board Exam License Reviewer. Today's topic is on power plant design regarding pressure relief valve vent or discharge pipe. Okay, we have a problem here. And remember, if you have a problem, we have a solution. Compute the maximum length of the discharge pipe installed on an outlet of a pressure relief device in feet for internal pipe diameter of 0.5 inch and a rated discharge capacity is 8 pound per minute of air. The rated pressure of relief valve is 16 psig. Okay, we analyze our given. We're given the internal pipe diameter of 0.5 inch. We're given the rated air discharge capacity, 8 pounds per minute, and the rated pressure of relief valve is 16 psig. And the unknown is to solve for the maximum length of the discharge pipe installed on the outlet of the pressure relief device. Okay. Before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe, like, and share. That's my channel. Subscribe, like, share, please, and thank you. And we're back to the solution. From the ASHRAE safety standard formula to determine the maximum length of discharge or vent pipe installed on the outlet of a pressure relief device or valve. Here's the formula. L is equal to 0.5625 times quantity 1.1 times PR plus 14.7 squared times D to the fifth divided by Q squared, where L is the maximum length of vent pipe or discharge pipe in feet, PR is the relief pressure of the PRV or pressure relief valve, D is the inside diameter of the pipe or vent line in inches, Q is the airflow in pound per minute. Since we're given all the values that we need right there, all we needed to do is to substitute into the formula. So we have L is equal to 0.5625 times 1.1 times 16 plus 14.7 quantity squared times 0.5 to the fifth power divided by 8 squared. So we simplify and we punch the numbers into our calculator and we've got 0.86 feet. That is the final answer. Okay, I hope this was helpful to you, and Please remember to comment if you have a comment. And please remember to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Cheers and have a good one.